morning, students. Today we are going to learn series combination of registers. So, if two or more than two registers are connected in a such a way, suppose this is my register R1, this is my register R2, and this is my register R3. So they are connected in a such a way that constant current flows in the circuit across all the registers. Okay, then this type of combination is called series combination. For example, now let the voltage of the battery is V, okay, and I current flows through the circuit. Okay, so we know from Ohm's law the voltage drop across R1 will be IR1. Say this is equal to V1. Similarly, voltage drop across R2, so it is V2 will be equal to IR2, and voltage drop across R3, similarly we can write V3 equal to IR3. Okay, now if I apply Kirchhoff voltage law, okay, I can write, okay, using KVL I can write V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, now if I assume the total resistance of the circuit is equal to R equivalent, okay, I'm redrawing this circuit again. So if I say this circuit is equivalent to this circuit, okay, where we have V voltage, I current is flowing, and this is my R equivalent. Okay, so I can write my V equal to I R equivalent. Okay, so I can write V equal to I R equivalent. Okay, V1 is simply IR1, V2 is IR2, and my V3 is IR3. Okay, so I will be cancelled out. Okay, so my R equivalent will be simply R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so here I have used only 3 resistance. Okay, we can use any n number of resistance in series, and the total resistance of the series combination will be always algebraic sum of resistances. Okay, so in series circuit, okay, number one thing is constant current flows, constant current flows across all the resistances. Okay, and number two is the total resistance, that is R equivalent. R equivalent is equal to algebraic sum of resistances. Algebraic sum of resistors or resistances. Now suppose I want to calculate voltage drop across each resistor. Okay, suppose I want to calculate, suppose I'm replacing now these resistances, I'm giving some values to these resistances. Suppose R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 equal to 4 ohm, and R3 is equal to 8 ohm. Okay, and the voltage value is around 14 volts. Okay, so now my R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is R equivalent is 14 ohms, and the total current in the circuit will be I equal to V upon R equivalent, that is 14 upon 14, that is equal to 1 ampere. Okay, so now the current value is 1 ampere. Now if I want to calculate the voltage drops across R1, so the voltage drop R1 across will be, now I1 is 1 ampere, So the voltage drop across R1 V1 will be equal to 2 volt. Similarly, V2 equal to 4 volts, and the voltage drop across R3 will be 8 volts. That means in series circuit, okay, the voltage drop across resistance depends on its magnitude. Okay, तो जिस रजिस्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड सबसे ज्यादा होगा उसके ऊपर वोल्टेज ड्रॉप सबसे ज्यादा होगा. जैसे यहाँ पे 8 ओम रजिस्टर सबसे ज्यादा है मैग्नीट्यूड, तो इसके अक्रॉस जो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप है वो सबसे ज्यादा है. सो मैं लिख सकता हूं द वोल्टेज ड्रॉप across any register depends on its magnitude. ओके, जो रेजिस्टेंस सबसे ज्यादा होगा उस पे सबसे ज्यादा वोल्टेज ड्रॉप होगा. ओके, थैंक यू.